review perspective, that is, objects in space that create depth in your artwork. It's so important that we can conceive that space. And although you've probably done perspective before, it's really important we review it. So whenever you're looking in the life, there's always going to be something you see at eye level. Whether that's an ocean view or a distant mountain, doesn't really matter. There's always a horizon line. And on the horizon line is what we call a vanishing point. Now, a vanishing point doesn't really exist in nature. It's just a point that we choose if we were drawing the artwork anywhere along that line where the point meets. So if this were a road, all lines converge to a vanishing point. And that means if this were a road in our artwork, that it's very narrow the farther away from our eye, and in the foreground it's really wide. So if I were putting an object in space, it's going to be bigger in the foreground and it's going to get smaller the further away we are, even if this were the same size. If these were cars, for example, they're going to be really big here and really small the further down the highway they are. And if I were drawing a cube, the width lines don't necessarily meet that vanishing point, but the length lines will. And it doesn't matter whether I move that cube up or down, there's vanishing point wherever I want it to go. Those converging lines can go anywhere I place them, even if I want them above the horizon line. So that should help you with your 1-point perspective, but 2-point perspectives next.